Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an account in the TikTok app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, and you won't want to miss that. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, let's open the TikTok app. Here it usually opens up in the home menu, but we have to go into the profile menu, so we tap on that. Here in the profile menu, in the top right corner, there are 3 lines. We tap on those. It opens up this little pop-up, and on the bottom, we tap on settings and privacy. We scroll down, and here at the bottom, there is a switch account option. Sorry, here. We tap on that, and in the bottom, we tap on add account, and we can sign up or log in with an already existing account. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.